Zero to Hero, Power Workshop 2.0. Module 1, Streamline the user experience. Now this is that optional lab of contractor access. This time we're going to test out that policy to make sure it works. Again, pretty simple use case. We want to allow access to JIRA for our contractors. So here's Bob. Bob's logging in. Let's go ahead and open up Chrome as we would using our applications to do our day in and day out. Let's go ahead and log in. So Bob's logged in, username, password. Maybe never have used Duo in the past. And now it's saying, let's get an account set up for you because we haven't maybe pre-created and imported his device, but we give him the flexibility to do that. So go ahead and put in the phone number. Add the phone number. Is it correct? Yes. Send me a passcode. Enter in that passcode. Go ahead and hit next. Let's scan that QR code. Continue. Skip for now. Log in with Duo. Face ID didn't recognize, right? Biometric requirement that we had. Go ahead and accept, and we're in. That's it. It's pretty seamless and easy for the user to not only leverage multi-factor authentication using Duo, but also have the ability to do the installation and remediation with some clean directives that we provide. So let's go ahead back in and look at some of the reporting. We can see Bob here. And again, lots of good detail. The device health, it says it's running Windows Defender. The firewall is on. It passed the health check. It's good to go. Simple and easy to use.